Alright, so this is just a quick video on the newborn 255. This is a smooth, super smooth rod revolving frame caulk gun. 18:1 thrust ratio. This is what it looks like. I just bought this on Amazon. It was $22.36. I decided to upgrade my 29-ounce caulk gun. This is the one that I've been using. I got this a few years back. It's been really good, but the other day I was using it for vinyl cove base or rubber cove base, and this is the stuff that I was dispensing from it. This is the cove base adhesive by Henry, and my hands were just all messed up. I did like a couple hundred feet of vinyl cove base, and I think it was just time for a replacement. So reading all the reviews on Amazon on the newborn 250, I decided to check it out. This is the new tool. It's feels well built. I mean, everything is metal. The two-part spins around. This one doesn't. That was the part that was getting me. After dispensing the adhesive, I would have to push this back so that it would stop flowing through, and it was getting harder and harder to pull back on the release, especially after caulking things for such a long time. Like my hand was just hurting. So this one, let's see, where is it gonna stop? There you go. I would have to say that this is way easier than the other one. It's really gonna save hand strength, and the release is pretty easy. There was another one by Jess that I wanted to get, but I didn't want to spend $35 on a caulk gun. Yeah, basically this thing is very, very easy on your hands. And the fact that this thing spins, you could spin the nozzle any way you want it to go. So let's see. This thing is super smooth. I think I will get the newborn 250. That's their 10-ounce caulk gun, same kind. Yeah, this thing versus the Home Depot one that I got when I had less and I didn't think I was gonna use it that much, is done. This one is done. This one is, I would say, it's 100 times better than the other one. You barely have to exert any pressure to squeeze the what is it, the lever, the trigger, and it just makes it so much easier than having to do everything with this one. This one actually strains your hand. The other day my hand's all messed up. I'm just doing it. But yeah, I want to see how well this newborn 255 caulk gun lasts throughout the years. But I think it's gonna do very, very, very well.